Welcome to Integrative Nutrition for Life's video presentation.
Vitamin B3, also known as niacin, is a vital nutrient your body depends on for energy, metabolism, and cellular repair. It plays a central role in converting food into usable energy and supports the health of your skin, nerves, and digestive system. Without enough B3, your cells struggle to function efficiently. Chemically, vitamin B3 includes two main forms, nicotinic acid and niacinamide, both sharing the formula C6H5NO2. These forms are converted into NAD and NAD, two of the most important coenzymes in the human body. They participate in hundreds of metabolic reactions that keep your cells energized and functioning properly. Inside your cells, vitamin B3 becomes NAD and NAD coenzymes essential for energy production, DNA repair, and antioxidant defense. These molecules help drive the reactions that convert carbohydrates, fats, and proteins into fuel. They also support healthy aging by maintaining cellular integrity. Your brain relies heavily on NAD to support energy production and protect neurons from stress. Adequate vitamin B3 helps maintain mental clarity, stable mood, and healthy cognitive function. When B3 levels drop, neurological performance and cellular resilience can decline. Research shows that niacin deficiency can lead to fatigue, poor concentration, and impaired metabolism. Studies highlight that restoring B3 levels improves mitochondrial function, supports DNA repair, and enhances overall cellular resilience. These findings underscore niacin's essential role in daily vitality. Peer-reviewed studies also link healthy niacin levels to improved cardiovascular function, better lipid metabolism, and enhanced antioxidant capacity. Scientists continue exploring its potential benefits for metabolic balance, neurological health, and long-term cellular repair. You can boost your vitamin B3 intake through foods like poultry, fish, peanuts, mushrooms, whole grains, and fortified cereals. These nutrient-dense options help support energy production, metabolism, and overall cellular health. For those who may not get enough niacin from food alone, B3 supplements are widely available. They offer a simple way to support energy production, metabolic balance, and healthy cellular repair. Your body thrives when it has the nutrients it needs. Vitamin B3 plays a powerful role in energy, metabolism, and cellular repair. Supporting your B3 levels can help you feel more focused, energized, and resilient. Make vitamin B3 a priority today. Your cells, your metabolism, and your long-term health will thank you. Stay committed to your wellness journey and continue watching the series to build a stronger, more energized you. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your health goals in the comments and let us know what topics you want next. Together, we are building unstoppable energy and vitality. Your journey starts now.
Do you have questions, comments, or want expert health tips? Visit the website below and reach out via email today. Connect with a very smart, triple certified health coach ready to help you improve your health and well-being.